Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of 50 Express Tutorials. Today we will be making churro cupcakes using our 50 Express Creme Cake mix and Dulce de Leche topping. Grab your spatulas and let's get started! Today we will need the following ingredients and tools: 50 Express Creme Cake mix, 50 Express Dulce de Leche, butter, cream cheese, 50 Express vanilla flavor, powdered sugar, heavy cream, cinnamon, salt, eggs, water, baking cups, muffin pan, tip 8B, pastry bags, spatula, and 1 3/4 size scoop. We already have all our ingredients measured and ready to go. First, we will preheat our oven to 325 degrees. We will be making half the batch of our 50 Express Creme Cake mix today. This makes 15 to 18 standard size cupcakes. For this recipe, we will be using a paddle attachment. Start by adding 4 large eggs, then add 1 pound of 50 Express Creme Cake mix. Mix for 1 minute on low speed. Then mix on medium speed for 3 minutes. Add 3/4 cups of oil and half a cup of water. Mix on first speed for 1 minute. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, then mix for 1 minute. Scrape your bowl, then continue to mix on low speed for 2 minutes. This is what your batter should look like when it's ready. Place your baking cups into your muffin pan. Pour your batter into your baking cups using the red scoop. Bake your cupcakes for 20 to 22 minutes or until firm in the center. Let the cupcakes cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's make our cream cheese filling. Cream together 2 sticks of butter for 3 to 5 minutes. Add in 8 ounces of cream cheese and mix for 2 more minutes on low speed. Add in 1 teaspoon of 50 Express vanilla flavor and 1 pinch of salt. Mix until combined, then scrape the bowl. Gradually add 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes or until the sugar is well incorporated. Add 6 teaspoons of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix for another 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium speed. Place your tip into your pastry bag. Scoop your cream cheese icing into your pastry bag. Brush melted butter onto your cupcake. Then dip it into the cinnamon sugar. Pipe the buttercream onto your cupcake. Then drizzle some 50 Express Dulce de Leche topping. This is one of the many ways you can use our 50 Express Creme Cake mix and the 50 Express Dulce de Leche topping. Thank you so much for watching this 50 Express tutorial. Hope you enjoyed making these delicious churro cupcakes with me. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our 50 Express YouTube channel. And remember, you can find these products and more at 50expressonline.com.